guys, welcome to A.T Kitchen. Today in this episode we are going to be making tuna melts. I had a few tuna cans at home. Thought we'll give this recipe a try. Turned out real beautiful. Let's get started. We'll start this recipe with the following ingredients. I have 1/3 cup of diced onion, diced celery, diced carrots with some sliced onions and sliced olives, Monterey Jack cheese, can of tuna, lemon juice, mayonnaise, salt, pepper. We will now add the can of tuna into our mixture. Following with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt, pepper to taste. At this point, your tuna spread is ready to go. I will be using garlic baguette as my base. Gently spread your tuna mix on top of the bread. And top it up with cheese. Sprinkle some dry parsley on top, and your tuna melt is ready to go in the oven. We will now broil it for 2 to 3 minutes. And here you have it, guys. A very nice and easy tuna melt. Thanks for watching A.T Kitchens. If you have any questions, any suggestions, leave it down below in the comment section. Home cooking made easy.